news from the middle is that Gen Thunders have won the toss and they are batting first.
It slashes hard. No one deep cover. Has that gone all the way? Yes, it is. 6-run signal by the umpire. Straight away, Vijay Kumar Rathod comes to ball and ball running away towards the deep third man area. And clean ball. What a ball from Lakshmikant Suryavanshi, have produced a beauty from the nowhere. Cuts it well over the fielder's head. Ball running away to the boundary. This is adding a salt to the wound. Flex that onto the onside. Man at square leg and the man at deep square leg inside the circle. And that will went all the way to the boundary. Really nice wristy flick. This is the line and this is the line. Cut this time through the offside. Cuts it beautifully. Take that another boundary. Again he plays that one through the outside. Take that another one. Short of length ball. He pulls that one to the onside. There is a man in the deep and remains as a spectator. What a way to complete his off century. Abul Hasan. Nicely wristy flick to the onside. 1 run taken. Can they back for the second? No, they don't. Appeal and a third umpire has been called for. You can see the decision on the big giant screen. It's out given by the umpire. Really unnecessary foul. He's playing so well. Blows that on to the onside. Is that goal the way? Take that. First 6 for Vijay Kumar Ankalkar. Again he opens himself and cuts that one. Man at deep cover. Misfield into the boundary. Abul Hasan backs that one to the fence. Through the deep mid wicket. Take that. Another boundary. 9th boundary to his name. And he moves on to 71 with that boundary. Lawful toss ball. Pulls that one to the onside. There is a man at long on. Remained as a spectator. Another 6. Again he goes downtown. That's in the air again. There is a man at deep square leg. No chance whatsoever. Take that. Another 6 for Vijay Kumar Ankalkar. He takes that one. That's a great shot, but fielder underneath the ball. Can he take that? Yes, he has. He has taken it comfortably. This time catch it fine. Ball running away to the boundary. Has that went all the way? Wait for the umpire signal. What a shot this is from Vijay Kumar Ankalkar. No ball. And 6. 50 runs comes up for Vijay Kumar Ankalkar. And also 200 runs on the board. Another ball to go. Free it. He backs that one down the ground. Man at extra cover. One bounce into the fence. What a way to finish the innings. Excellent style. Great batting by Vijay Kumar Ankalkar. He moves on to 58 in 24 balls. 6 boundaries. In fact, 7 boundaries and 3 sixes. And the total score which moves on to 205 in the 20 overs. Second highest score made by the team batting first in this tournament. The previous best 213. So second innings start to resume. Flighted one, straight to the first lip. And Madhav Bajaj stuck for his team. Vijay Kumar Rathod is the man. After facing a first ball, caught at first slip. He goes straight away, banks that one, one long gone. What a way to open the innings. Sagar is the man who opened his account with a mighty 6. Plays that one to the onside, nice pull shot by Sagar, ball running away to the boundary. Second boundary to Sagar. Goes on the back foot, cuts it fine. Beats the fielder, clears the inside, infield and into the fence. Nicely flicks by Imran Khan, beats the fielder, at shot front leg, this will run away to the boundary. Outfield is absolutely forced. Short of length ball, cuts it fine, this will run away to the boundary, towards the deep third man position. Full toss down the leg side. Wait for the umpire signal, ball went all the way, wide ball. And a boundary, 5 handy runs. And he cleans up. Niranjan clean bowled by Vijay Kumar Ankalkar. Zaid Ahmad. Sagar goes big. And what a shot this is. That is a biggie. Missed by the wicket keeper. Ball runs away to the boundary. Buys. And a boundary signal by the umpire. Down the leg side ball, he placed that one so beautifully. Has that went all the way? Yes, it is. Take that. Short of length ball, place that one down the ground. Long on, long off, no chance. That went straight. He goes high, downtown, down the ground, on, went all the way for 6. That's a clear shot. Clean blow, middle of the bat. Down the track comes Sagar. He banked that one, pulls that one. Woven long off for a mighty. Take that. Much needed 6. Nicely played through the extra cover by Sagar. What a timing, sheer timing, and the excellent class. Another boundary. Again, he plays that one through the cover this time again. A consecutive boundaries. Excellent placement. Mahesh Jadhav goes in the air. Fielder. He takes it comfortably. Madhav Bajaj is the man. He has got safe pair of hands. Pulls that one to the onside Sagar. There is a man in the deep. Can't get there. Take that another boundary. And he's gone. In fact,
Clean ball, huh?
and he clean ball. This is a big breakthrough. So it's all over. GCC Legends have lost this match by 76 runs. 5 wicket haul for Abul Hasan. 78 runs in the batting department. Now 5 wickets.
That is match number 24. Played between two teams, that is JC Thunders versus GCC Legends, and JC Thunders won the match by 76 runs. So one big enough applause to this team. The man of the match title goes to Mr. Abul Hasan. May now request the dignitaries to kindly hand over a check of rupees 2,500. Let the claps keep coming. 5 wickets and runs are also so much high. Let the claps keep coming. He totally deserves it, people. And we now request the dignitaries to kindly hand over the envelope of rupees 2,500 from Khaja Bandhan Nawaz House of Sports for the player hitting the highest number of sixes, that is Mr. Sagar. 5 sixes. One huge round of applause to this player, please. Let the claps keep coming, people. And may now request the dignitaries to kindly hand over a food voucher of rupees 500 to Mr. Abul Hasan, the man of the match.
KBN Champions Trophy is presented by Khaja Bandhan Nawaz University and by Mega Speed Broadband in collaboration with Hash Include, media partner Go Hash. Our associate sponsors include Mannoor Multi-Speciality Hospital, Shah Hyundai, Bharat Honda, Gulberg Travels, Punjab Footwear Group, Shehbaz Electricals, Sana Builders and Developers, and by AN Banquets. Our gold sponsors include Originals Clothing, Shweta Dentistry, United Hospital, Al Noor Speciality Hospital, and by Maharaja Sweets, Dargah.